today we're going to go over a couple things. I know you haven't seen much of my DIYs and those types of videos. I did have surgery and I will not be able to do any remodels or anything like that for about a good year. I'm on month 4 of what's going to be a long recovery. What I did during that time to make money and support my family, I first got involved with insurance about 5 years ago, but it was just recently that I decided to branch out, become a broker. While I was recovering, I got right into that, began studying, and now I am licensed in the state of California. You can find me on any state or government website. I can put that in the link below. It doesn't matter if you go to me or you go to someone else, as long as you and your family are financially protected, that's all that's important. Taking this step to getting financially protected is such a big deal for you and your family. It's one of the #1 responsibilities that you can possibly do for yourself and for your family. There's 3 products that I want to go over with you today. There's one that's called Term. There's one that's called Whole Life. And then there's one that's called Universal. Right? So the first one, Term, is for a certain amount of time. So there's 15 years, 20 years, and 30 years. And then the policy ends. Then this next one, Whole Life, is for the lifetime. So it could be up to age 100 or age 120. So this one is permanent. It's permanent. Just like my mistake. The next one is Universal. Universal is also for a certain amount of time. So you have 15 years, 20 years, and 30 years. Most of our clients love this one right here. This is one of our top products. So let me explain to you why it's one of the best, okay? So for example, it is called CBO 100, which means cashback option. 100% of the premiums return to you at the end of the policy. So let's say you get a policy for $150,000, okay? And your monthly premium will be $91.25 a month, which is $1,095 annually. So we did the 91.25 times 12 months of the year equals 1,095 times 30 years is $32,850 refund at the end of the term. And that is why it is one of the top products that our clients choose. The Universal is the monthly premiums that you pay to the company each month works in the market. The company keeps the interest. So what does this mean for you and your family? Now, if you passed away yesterday, your family would be paid out $150,000. If you outlive the length of the policy, which is 30 years, you will be paid out $32,850, which is 100% of the premiums that you paid. Okay, so you don't lose anything. This one our clients like to use as an investment. And I would like to write a little disclosure here too. This is super important. Request surrender 60 days before 60 days before the policy is supposed to terminate. You can either reach me to put in the request for surrender to receive your full refund, or whoever you decide to help you, whoever your agent is. It doesn't matter if it's me, doesn't matter who it is. As long as you and your family is protected, that's all that matters, because we know that it's not for us individually. The life insurance is for our family. It's for the person who's going to be affected with our death. When I pass away, it's going to be my husband who picks up the pieces, and it's going to be my children who will have to go on without me. But my husband would be paid $150,000 so that he can pay for my burial, pay for any expenses I had, pay off the rest of the house, and survive, without me. I take my job very seriously and I'm very passionate about what I do. There's no necessarily one product better over the other. It really depends on the person, on the individual. My mission is to financially protect everybody I possibly can. It's so important to understand and have a clear mind when deciding on which one to go with. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.